Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Hbar price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Hbar chart, which at the time of this recording has lost a key area of support at around the $0.0639 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart and also continue to obey the Elliot wave structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Hbar chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Hbar, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.58 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.0356 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.9768 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Hbar to do on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that after making our low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, then we saw that bounce in the formation of that wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.099 mark. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure to the upside, I believe Hbar completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1 to the upper side. That gave me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $0.0676 mark and the $0.0602 mark, and it is within this yellow target area that I was expecting to see the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, and I was also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, having the wave C fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us a low within this yellow target area in the formation of that wave 2. And you can see that here on the Hbar chart, we have been able to fully get into this minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and there are chances that soon we are going to start a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And assuming that Hbar is not going to give us one more leg down in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2, we can sketch a target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.162 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side to do, and that is assuming that Hbar is not going to give us one more leg down to the lower side. But in case the breakdown continues, since we are trading below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is also acting as resistance, then we need to have a new target area in case the breakdown continues, and we also lose the fib level 0.618 over here. And using the Fibonacci is once more connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, that gives me a new target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.78, and I can extend this target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, so that the target area now lies between the $0.0671 mark and the $0.0491 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Hbar to do, and also continue holding within this yellow target area for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2. And once Hbar continues to hold within within this yellow target area, then there are chances that soon we are going to start a reversal to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3, and we are also going to be able to sketch out new target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short term scenarios, and those are my breakdown targets in case the breakdown here on the Hbar chart continues. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 36 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 3, but in case the breakdown continues, that movement will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, but we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.